Hi, we are doing area and perimeter. The question is there are two circular gardens A and B. The circumference of garden A is 1.760 kilometer and the area of garden B is 25 times the area of garden A. Find the circumference of garden B. What is given to us? The circumference of garden A. Circumference of garden A, that is 1.760 kilometer. Now area of garden B is 25 times the area of garden A. So we need to find the area of garden A. So with the help of circumference, we will find the radius of garden A. So R is 1.760 divided by 2 pi. Fine. So we will leave it like this only, pi, because then when we find the area, the pi way 1 pi will get cancelled. Fine. So area of garden A will become pi r square, that is pi into 1.760 by 2 into pi into 1.760, 2 into pi. This pi and this pi will get cancelled. So this will be 1.760 into 1.760 by 2 into 22. 7 goes up and 2 at the bottom. So this is the area of garden A. So what will be area of garden B? Area of garden B is 25 times area of garden A, that is 1.760, 2 into 22 into 2, 1.760 into 7, right? Now this is the area of garden B. Fine. Now the area of garden B is pi r square, but we don't know what is the value of r. So what we will write, let r be the radius of garden B. So now we'll put the value, pi r square is 25 into 1.760 into 1.760 into 7 divided by 2 into 22 into 2, right? So pi is 22 by 7 into r square is 25 into 1.760 into 1.760 into 7 by 2 into 22 and 2, right? Now what we will do here, r square we have to find. We'll get the values to the other side. 25 into 1.760 into 1.760 into 7, 2 into 22 into 2, and 22 goes, this 22 goes down and this 7 goes up into 7, right? Now why I didn't multiply? Because I was sure that I will have to find the square root of the whole thing to get the value of r. So no need to multiply over here, just leave it like this only. So r is square root of all this number, 25 into 1.760 into 1.760 into 7 into 7, 2 into 2, 22 into 2 into 22. So we know when we find the square root, we take the, out of pair we take only one number. So these are the pairs. Fine. So now 25 ka square root is 5. 1.76 into 1.76 we will take 1.76. Out of 2 sevens we will take 1 7. Out of 2 2s we will take 1 2. Out of 222 we will take 122. So this is the radius of the garden B. Now what is the circumference? 2 pi r. Again we will put the values. 2 into 22 by 7 into r value we will put 1.760 into 7 divided by 2 into 22. 22 cancel, 7 cancel, 2 cancel. So circumference is 5 into 1.760. This is point. Right. So 5 into 1.760 is 8.800. This becomes kilometers. So no need to multiply, just leave the values, because here for sure you will find the value by square rooting the numbers. So no need to multiply there, just leave it in pairs and get the value at the end like this.